Hey everyone, today we're going to roll through a couple of features and install of the Access Tailgate Protector. Only thing you're going to need for this one today is a number 3 Phillips head and a drill. All of the hardware is provided for you. Line up accordingly. Make sure that you drill in the top outside screws first. This is going to make sure that this guy doesn't slide around on you as you're drilling in the rest of the holes. Joe again there, folks. Once you've got all the screws into pre-drilled holes on the protector itself, you can remove that covering, displaying the absolutely stunning stainless steel finish of the Access Tailgate Protector. Join us at RHRSwag.com.